Alright, we're back out. Lads are camping again. Cannot wait for this one. Got the big guy with me. We've got a little tent we're going to get set up here. Nice bit of grass by the lovely lake. Looking forward to this one. Got some nice burgers to cook.
And sausages.
Got some sausages for the morning. Happy days. It's going to be a nice one. Weather's nice at the moment for setting up, but it's going to be absolutely torrential overnight by all accounts. I'm probably minging in the morning when we're getting everything packed away. But that's okay. That's what we're in it for. Alright, let's get into it. Squelchy, squelchy. That's what you get when we're in Britain with all the water, I guess.
You can hear it.
Nice and easy, just 2 poles and we're off and away. Loads of random pegs. This is the tent I used a couple of weeks ago on Anglesey. It was great, loads of space in it, perfect for us too. And small enough to dry out at home on a washing line. Well and truly needed. Dead simple, just 2 poles, one through the top, one through the bottom, and away you go. There we go. It's not too, you don't need a huge amount of tension on this. Whether that means it won't stand up quite as well in the wind, I don't know, but if you were there, if you watched the last video, it wasn't windy at all, so I think tonight will be a bit different, but we'll see. We'll see. Right, just hold that there.
Yeah.
Yep. Just hold it upright so it doesn't fall.
Okay.
We'll turn it around in a minute because we'll face the water, so that's always nice. Go that way. To me, to you, to me, to you. Come on, Barry.
Barry?
Too young for that one.
My name ain't Barry, mate.
Mr. Chuckle. Right.
What?
The ground is okay. Pretty much get everything we need into it. Doesn't go down very far, but we're okay. We're okay.
Done. Ah, I slipped.
Careful.
Why is there a massive patch of mud there?
Because it's wet. God, I hope that's on camera.
So do I.
Really do. So I'm just using a basic Van Gogh one tonight for sleeping bag. He's got the North Ridge Pinnacle 4, which takes us down to some serious temperatures. I'd be a bit skeptical about using this in -30, not that we will ever have to experience that in this country. That's one for further afield expeditions, I think.
You never know, this is Britain.
This is Britain. So I think you'll be warm enough in this one tonight, pal. It's only supposed to get down to about 9 or 10. Should be fine. Spot on. Cozy as you like. Now, we're all set here. Stuck a couple of chairs in the fire pit down there ready for getting that lit in a minute. Although it's really squelchy and wet up here, I always assumed that the water was going to run down here and down here would be far wetter, but it's actually much drier. So hindsight's a wonderful thing, but I think I'd have rather put the tent down here, but bit close to the water. We'll just work with it. It's really not a problem. So got the fire pit. I'm going to be cooking some burgers on that in a bit. So we're going to chill out and have a step to. Okie doke. Little wander around. It's a lovely place, really nice place. Loads of little fishing lakes and just basically choose where you want to camp. It's great. Right, just gonna get this fire lit. It's going a bit dark now, don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's certainly no longer needed these. Right, it's getting chilly. It is getting chilly. Time to get this lit. Right, see if we can get some shavings. Oh, this knife is not sharp enough anymore. Oh, there you go. Getting some feathering on there. Yes, I am not a fully fledged bushcrafter. Not a fully fledged bushcrafter, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, we're off and away. Hopefully, a little bit of methylated spirit never hurt anybody. To give things a kickstart. Nice. Right. Come back to you when the fire's roaring nicely, and we're time to get some food on the go. Alright, right. We got some buns. We got some burgers. Some regular cheese. Wensleydale with cranberries. It's not even Christmas yet, but we've got it anyway. And then some lovely mozzarella and pesto pasta salad. Happy days.
Lovely.
Cheers all.
Cheers.
Here's to another cracking night, mate. Yeah.
Indeed, you didn't drink after the cheers. How dare you?
Sorry.
There you go.
Right, now this could be, because it's so far away from the heat, it's not ideal. Getting burnt with embers all the time.
Stop getting burnt.
Good shout, good shout. Right. Oh,
What's that?
oil. I think we probably need more than a 1 cal spray. There we go. Let's get some oil in there. The burgers are not low fat, so they'll be fine. Right, I think these are going to take a fair old while to cook. Let's get them on now. Going to be slow cooked, I think, but hey, we're not in any rush. Nicely done. Yes. Maybe they won't be that slow. They're still giving a bit of a sizzle. Bit of paper. Maybe it's plastic, I don't know. You can manage 3, can't you, dude?
I can manage 5.
5. Oh, there we go.
Indeed.
Tell you what, we'll just get them all on. I think. Yes. Look at that. Come on, we're getting there. Oh, lots of flames. A lot of flames. Hear the sizzle. That wasn't a good idea. Not long to go. Not long to go. Whee! On a 3. Perfect. Not going to stop myself. Well, that's not very well done, is it? Yeah. There you go. spare one. Oh, bit of rocket. Lovely. Bit of mozzarella. Oh yes, 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 yes. Pasta. Yum yum. Sun-dried tomatoes. Bit of red pepper. Oh wow. Get in there. Get in there. Right. Get involved. That's incredible. Cheers. Lovely. Temperature's properly dropping now. But got some good food, good company, and a good fire. Cracking.
The moon's disappeared.
It's because it's behind the cloud that's about to chuck it down on us.
Oh.
Okay, well, the rain has arrived. It's starting to come down. Not particularly heavy at this stage, but it's certainly started. The wind is properly picking up. I don't know if you can hear that on the microphone, but it's blowing around big time. It's feeding the fire as well. All that oxygen's getting in there. It's raging. Anyway, I think this rain's about to really open on us, so I think I'm probably going to have to call it an evening. Alright, the rain has started now, but we're inside.
Indeed.
About to get tucked up. It's the wind's blowing us a hoolie, but we'll be fine. We'll be fine. You good?
I'm chilling.
You are in that. That's going to be toasty warm.
Got 5 layers on me.
Good stuff. Temperature should be fine. It's the wind which is going to be the issue, I think, and the rain will keep us awake. But hey, we're camping by the lake. It's going to be awesome.
By the experience.
Absolutely. Good lad. Good lad. Good night. See you in the morning.
Good night.
Wow, good morning. That was treacherous last night. It was blowing a gale all night. There was a fair bit of rain, but not the torrential stuff that it was predicted. So thankfully, no flooding down there. Just the pooling that we already had, and just the muddy bits. But it's a gorgeous place this morning. What a place to wake up to. Got a little bit of bright sky over there, but that's what's coming our way, unfortunately. So I think it's just about time that we get this put away before that hits us too hard. Yeah, and then get some brekkie on. Alright, let's get this taken down.
And voila. There you go.
All sorted, all packed away. Dead easy that was as well. Thankfully, just before all this weather comes in, because it's about to absolutely chuck it down. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.